Hello, this is I.C.T First Article Inspection Machine. When testing PCB boards, the directions of different boards and components can be rotated. When we test the components on the PCBA, we can use a clamp to measure different positions and rotate while testing. This is a test pen for First Article Inspection Machine. Let's put it on. First, remove the rubber sleeve, align this port and install it, then lock in the buckle. Now let's open a ready-made program, and we can see all the components that are on the board. Then we can use this test pen to test the components on the PCBA. Just take the test quick pen to test both ends of the electrode of each component. Each test will display a value, and you can use this value to determine whether there is a problem with the component.